girl Wstco, and today I have this really cute hairstyle to show you guys. This actually was requested by one of my supporters. Her name is Ray Ray, so shout out to you, Ray Ray, for giving me this video idea, because I've been asking you guys to do that and help me out so I can entertain you guys during this quarantine. I hope you guys are safe and staying supplied up and disinfected down. The hair that you see attached to my hair is actually from Nadula. I know you probably already know about Nadula, so there's not much that I have to say other than the fact that their hair is great quality. They actually sent me 3 bundles and a frontal. I've been using their bundles to create ponytail styles because look, during quarantine, I don't have time to be making no damn wig, so I've been just creating these little cute ponytail styles with their Brazilian straight hair, or this is a body wave, their Brazilian body wave texture. So everything will be linked in the description box below if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. look. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I'm gonna go over the products really quickly so you guys don't kill me, because I know I did a voiceover, but that was just because I just wanted to go ahead and get this out of the way for you guys. So I obviously used my Eco Styling Gel, my olive oil version, because this bad boy right here just be getting the job done. It be making my hair very sleek and shiny, but healthy looking at the same time. So I like using this. This works when my hair is dirty, clean, or in between, sis. And if I need a little bit of extra hold and my hair is acting a bit more stubborn, I like to go in with my Wet Line Extreme Mega Hold Gel. You can get this from Walgreens or Target or even Walmart. And I also went in with a little bit of my Cantu curling cream. Y'all seen this. This is just to add some smell good to my hair and also get that moisture going and that shine as well. I used this off camera, and that was just because I wasn't liking how my hair was laying towards the top. So I just added a little bit of this edge control, and this one is by Ebin New York. 24-hour edge tamer, ultra super hold. And I was scared of it because usually a little bit goes a long way, but I actually put a little bit more than a little bit just on a few strands in the front, but it helped do exactly what I needed it to do, which was just lay my hair down. Because I use water-based hair gels, they tend to curl my hair up because my hair is natural. So I need to make sure everything is laid and sleeked and freaked and fleeked. You know what I'm saying, sis? I use my Revlon curling iron to basically throw some little effortless beach waves in the hair, but the hair is pretty long and it doesn't have any layers in it, so it just literally falls. But I like it more than just having my hair just straight, bone straight. I always vouch for this company when somebody is asking me about good curly hair. Nadula is known for having some really good quality curly hair in their Brazilian line, so I always get Brazilian hair. Brazilian hair just matches my hair texture so much easier and so much better than the rest. So I like to use and stick with what I know is going to make my looks look the most natural. That is pretty much all I had to say. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys so much for being here, staying safe out there and staying isolated, because y'all, I'm really tired of this shit. Like, to sit in the house every day, all day, hours upon hours upon hours. The world is in shambles out here. It's getting really depressing and I'm so over it, but I told my boyfriend that I was gonna start vlogging more so I can incorporate you guys in my daily life. It's not exciting right now because of what's going on, but I'm so goofy that I think y'all will appreciate it anyway. And y'all can just like see what I be doing or whatever. So if y'all want to see that, I wanted to do the spicy noodle challenge with him. So if y'all want to see that, let me know, because I'll do it. I want to do something entertaining on my channel, but I just don't want to bore you guys. So if you have any video ideas, any topics that you want me to talk about so I can do 3-in-1s with you guys. If you guys stayed all the way to the end, please send me a balloon, a red balloon. Put the red balloon down in the description box, no, down in the comment section. I'm sure somebody's gonna tell me happy birthday, but it ain't my birthday, boo. My birthday is May 24th, so y'all make sure y'all say happy birthday to me on the 24th of May. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see